Another selling point of Gangnam's medical tourism is its grand and luxurious facilities. For example, this 15-story building is a medical beauty specialty hospital, which has 8 departments and a research lab. They also offer private post-operation recovery rooms and a chauffeured limousine service to and from Incheon Airport, satisfying all needs of their patients. Emphasis on patients' privacy, individualized care, and state-of-the-art plastic surgery techniques are turning Gangnam's medical beauty treatments into another Hallyu boom.
Korea is very advanced in the field of plastic surgery, especially in the field of orthodontic surgery or facial contouring procedures. No other country comes close. Many foreign patients come to Korea after watching Korean stars in TV dramas, hoping to become beautiful like them.
After learning about Korean culture, many foreigners come to Gangnam dreaming to become as beautiful as Korean Hallyu stars. Since 2009, Gangnam received nearly 80,000 foreign medical tourists and has quickly risen to become the mecca for beauty tourism.
I always felt very troubled due to my square jaw, but my friend recommended I come to Korea. After today's consultation, I have a lot of trust and look forward to becoming prettier in Korea.